hold on. Yes, this. So I'm doing a pinwheel extension with a cap behind the back. All you do is, in split time. I did post a video on this recently. I bet you could totally get this one really easily on your own. Right hand doing the extension like this. So it's from underhand, and you go outward to the side, and then come across and back behind, come across, back behind, come across, back behind. And your left hand, also from underhand on the front, goes back behind and stays back there in this the whole time. So if you start with just a regular little pinwheel, so a pinwheel versus a cap, and the right hand is just doing a regular size pinwheel, when you're ready, you could just add your extension, add your extension, add your extension, add your extension. I do think it helps if you know this split time behind the back cap, because it feels the same in many ways. It's not quite the same, but this part going down behind is like that part going down in front. Where your right hand was going in the small one and your left one was in the cap. You do have that. Now it's a matter of right there, adding your extension right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there.